If you want to charge other devices using your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, then we have two main ways to do so. We have the wired method and the wireless method. The wired method requires you to use a cable that fits both your Z Flip 8 and the other device that you want to charge. And that other device can be pretty much anything that can be charged via USB, like for example a smartphone or maybe a Bluetooth device and so on. And we just need to simply connect both devices together, just like that. And keep in mind that in some cases, while in my case the other device started charging immediately, in some cases your Z Flip 8 might be the one that is being charged instead of charging. So if your Z Flip 8 is charging, is being charged after connecting, then you will need to go to notifications and find the charging connected device or something like that. Essentially, you're looking for USB settings in notifications, and then here we have charge connected device, which of course you want to make sure that it is enabled on your Z Flip 8. And in some cases, like you saw right now, it works immediately. In addition to that, we also have the wireless method, and in this case we need to go to settings and you need to find a wireless power sharing option. Let me actually start from the beginning. Over here in settings, we need to find battery. There we go. And then in the battery, we want to go to the wireless power sharing option. You can either tap on it or you can just tap on the switcher to turn it on. Now I'm going to actually close or fold the Z Flip. There we go. We are ready to charge. So we need to place it like that so that the back of the phone is actually visible. And then we need to place our device that we want to charge on top of our Z Flip 8. Just like that, and as you can see, it charges immediately. Of course, in some cases you might need to adjust the position of the phone or maybe the position of the device that you want to charge, but it should work straight away. Of course, keep in mind that you can only charge devices that support wireless charging. So if you have a Bluetooth device or another phone that you want to charge, and it doesn't support wireless charging, then you won't be able to charge with your Z Flip 8. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.